Hi, I'm Charlotte Verbiest and I'm a speaker at Clear Concept. One of the programs I absolutely love to facilitate is the power of focus. It can be very challenging to focus nowadays when we always have to be on and connected and we just feel the need to respond immediately. And yet, focus is exactly how we can do more with less time. But first, let's talk about the opposite of focusing, which is multitasking. Many people are proud multitaskers, and for years I was a committed multitasker too, and I got pretty good at it. Sounds familiar? I truly believed I could do two things at once, and I just felt that this was the most efficient approach. The simple truth is our brains do not parallel process. We sequentially process. We can walk and chew gum at the same time, but your work requires more thought than just walking and chewing gum. We know from years of research that multitasking does not work. Focusing, on the other hand, is faster, it is less stressful, and it leads to better quality work. The challenge is that during an average workday, we are interrupted here and there and just kind of everywhere. And if those external interruptions were not enough, we are our own worst enemy. Did you know that almost half of our interruptions come from ourselves? We switch gears from the important document to the inbox to talking to colleagues and even just checking our phones. And this is a really choppy way of working. Instead, we should create a balance between focus time and time spent on supporting tasks, where we have to be more responsive and, let's say, accessible to clients and colleagues. When we are doing focus work, we could find a quiet place to work, close our email, or just put our phone away and put it on silence. Building focus time into our day is an important habit to invest in, because this is how we can achieve outstanding results. I'm very proud to be a speaker with Clear Concept, helping people do their best work.